Hello and welcome to my channel, Boo Snakes and More. Today we're going to be talking about the python the snake. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And for more videos like this, watch my other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff, my youngest son's channel, He's Toys and Games, or my oldest son's channel, Little Chris 10. Now let's dive into the video. Pythons are a diverse group of non-venomous constrictor snakes found in tropical and subtropical regions across the globe. The name python is derived from the Greek word python, referring to a mythical serpent. The python snake is known for its impressive size, with some species growing up to 30 feet, 9.1 meters long. Despite their formidable appearance, most pythons are not dangerous to humans unless startled or provoked. But be warned, avoid their young, or you'll incur their wrath. The Pythondia family consists of non-venomous constrictor snakes known as pythons. Within this family, the python genus encompasses a variety of species characterized by their muscular bodies, heat-sensing pits, and constructing hunting type. Let's get to know some of the most popular members of this unique genus. 1. Reticulated python. Malipython reticulus, native to Southeast Asia. This snake species holds the record for the world's longest snake, with some snakes known to exceed 20 feet, 6.1 meters. They have a complex geometric pattern on their skin and are found in a variety of habitats, including forests and grasslands. 2. Burmese python, Python batidus, a type of giant, heavy-bodied snake. Burmese pythons can be found in Southeast Asia's grasslands, marshes, swamps, and the Everglades National Park in Florida, where they are considered an invasive species. They are known for their attractive pattern and can grow up to 23 feet, 7 meters long. 3. Ball python, Python regineus. This African species is on the smaller side for pythons, reaching only about 3 to 5 feet, 0.9 to 1.5 meters in length. They are popular pets due to their manageable size, docile nature, and variety of color morphs. Ball pythons are native to sub-Saharan Africa and thrive in grasslands and shrublands. Number 4. Carpet python, Melania serpentina, native to Australia, New Guinea, and surrounding islands. This python species is known for its diverse range of patterns and colors. Carpet pythons are semi-arboreal, living in various habitats including rainforests, woodlands, and urban areas. Number 5. African rock python, Python sabrew, one of Africa's largest snakes. They grow up to 25 feet, 7.6 meters long. These powerful constrictors are found in a range of habitats, from savannas to forests near water bodies. Number 6. Green tree python, Malaria variegatus. Known for their streaking green color, these pythons inhabit rainforests in New Guinea and parts of Australia. Green tree pythons spend most of their time in trees and are relatively small, growing up to 5 feet, 1.5 meters long. Number 7. Indian python, Python moralis. Found in South Asia, this large python prefers grasslands, marshes, and other near-water environments. Indian pythons have a light-colored pattern and can grow up to 20 feet, 6.1 meters long, although such large specimens are rare. Number 8. Blood python, Python bagusimus, native to the Malaya Peninsula and parts of Indonesia. They are known for their stocky build and often reddish-brown coloration. Flood pythons inhabit forests and swamps and are relatively short with their darts, typically measuring around 4 to 6 feet, 1.2 to 1.8 meters. Characteristics: pythons, member of the genus Python, are renowned for their distinctive physical and behavior characteristics. Physically, they are among the largest snakes in the world. Muscular bodies. Their bodies are muscular and adapt at constricting, a method they use to subdue prey by coiling tightly and suffocating it. This physical paralysis is complemented by their unique skin patterns and colors, which provide excellent camouflage in their native habitats. Built-in hunting tools. One of the snake's most remarkable feeding adaptations is its highly flexible jaws. Equipped with backward-facing teeth, these jaws allow pythons to swallow prey significantly larger than their heads. This enables them to tackle a range of prey sizes from small rodents to larger mammals and birds. Pythons also possess specialized heat-sensing pits near their mouths, allowing them to detect thermal radiation from warm-blooded animals. This sensory adaptation is beneficial for nocturnal hunting and other low-light conditions, compensating for their generally limited vision. Dual lung capacity. These snakes also have two lungs, a trait considered primitive or ancestral among snakes. This feature is a callback to their evolutionary origins from lizard-like reptiles, which typically have two functioning lungs. Over the course of snake evolution, many species adapted to having a single lung to streamline their bodies for burrowing or other specialized living conditions. This adaptation allowed for a more elongated and flexible body, which is adventurous in navigating narrow spaces or moving across various terrains. The right lung is typically longer and more developed in pythons, while the left lung is often smaller or sometimes even remedially. Lifespan. In terms of lifespan, pythons are long-lived compared to many other reptiles in the wild. They can live over 20 years in captivity. The lifespan can extend even further, often exceeding 2 decades. This relatively long lifespan, combined with a generally calm disposition, has made certain species like the ball python popular in the pet trade. The python diet. Pythons have a dietary pattern that reflects their predatory paralysis. They mainly prey on mammals and birds, selecting their meals based on availability and size. Smaller pythons may eat rodents and birds, while larger species can take down bigger animals like monkeys, pigs, and occasionally deer. These ambush hunters have a stealthy hunting strategy. They often lie in wait, camouflage, and strike with lightning-fast precision. Once their prey is in their grasp, they employ constriction, a method that entails wrapping around their catch and tightening their coils. Each time the prey exhales, eventually leading to suffocation. What's fascinating about pythons is their ability to consume prey much larger than their heads. Due to their flexible jaws and skin, this adaptability in their eating habits is essential for their survival, especially for species living in environments with scarce, large prey. Thanks to their slow metabolism, they can go without eating after consuming a large meal for weeks or months. Habitats. Just as we seek environments that boost our strength and comfort, pythons inhabit various landscapes across Africa, Asia, and Australia that play on their predatory paralysis. These reptiles can be found in lush rainforests, in desert sandhills, swamps, grasslands, and even near human settlements. The adaptability of pythons to different climates and terrains is a testament to their resilience. In rainforests, they blend seamlessly into the dense foliage, using the ambient cover for an ambush. They demonstrate remarkably tentative in arid regions, adapting to scarce water resources. They have become invasive species in places like Florida, where escaped or released pet pythons have established breeding populations. This has raised ecological concerns due to their impact on local wildlife. Do pythons lay eggs? The reproductive process of these ambush predators begins with the female laying many eggs, which can vary greatly depending on her species and size. For instance, while some species lay about a dozen eggs, larger retics may lay a staggering 100 eggs in one clutch. During the incubation period, lasting typically between 60 to 90 days, the female python exhibits a remarkable level of maternal care, a rarity among reptilian species. She cores herself protectively around her clutch, creating a warm, secure nest. This breeding behavior is more than just guarding. The mother python actively regulates the temperature of the eggs through muscle contractions akin to shivering. This effort is vital for properly developing the embryos within the eggs. Once the python eggs are ready to hatch, the young use a specialized temporary tube known as the egg tube to break through the eggshell. These hatchlings are immediately independent and equipped with the instincts and skills needed for survival. They receive no further care from their mother post-hatching. Are pythons non-venomous snakes? Pythons are not venomous, but they are still deadly creatures. Unlike venomous snakes that use venom to immobilize or kill their prey, pythons are constrictors. They capture and subdue their prey by coiling around it and squeezing, which is a method that relies on their physical constraint rather than venom. The constriction cuts off blood flow, leading to the prey's incapacitation and eventual death, after which the python consumes its meal whole. Pythons also known for their slow metabolism, allowing them to survive months between meals under certain conditions. Thank you for watching this video and peace out to the next one.